Okay. So yesterday we have completed if else, if, and now we are into switch statement. Okay. So you can see like when you are going with multiple options, right? If you have like more than 10, or let us assume you are a multiple option 4, 5, 6, 7. So this writing if else if along with expression is tedious, right? So for the same kind of configuration, we are having a switch expression. Okay, switch statement. Basically, it's called a switch statement, but after Java 13, we used to call it switch expression. Okay, so what is the difference between a statement and expression? A statement get executed and return nothing. Okay, but expression, when expression got executed, it will return a value, right? Okay, so when you are having multiple options, right, and you have to select one among them, so in that scenario you will go with switch statement. So let assume might be all are knows about KBC, right? When we have one questions and then we are having four options, right? A, B, C, and D, and then you pass an answer, and that answer will get compared with all the options, and whatever matched, right? If your answer match with the specific option, you will get a point, right? You can based on that you can execute any statement, or you want to do anything that you can do, right? So basically, how we'll go with the switch statement. So this is the basic syntax. Right now, we are starting with Java 7. Okay. Started with Java 7, we'll go to Java 8, 10, 11 features, everything. But right now, whatever concept that we follow as a as per Java 7 standard. And then once Java 7 is done, we'll see what and all changes we have in Java 8, 12, 14, and 17. Okay. So this is switch syntax. So to write a switch program, first you have to use this keyword switch, and then this open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Inside that you can have any expression, any value, any variable. Okay. Then a curly braces, and then you will write case. This is case. This is all a part of syntax. So case. Then you will write value 1. Then if value 1 match with this variable expression or value, you will execute this statement. Okay, then case 2. If this val 2 match, you will execute this statement, and then default. Just right now, just remember, while writing a program, anyhow we'll go through that. This is a syntax. So in syntax switch, keyword will be there. Inside this parenthesis, we'll have value, variable, expression, then curly braces open, then case 1, case 2, case 3, and then if not a single case match, we are having a default. If nothing match, default value will be get, or default statement will get executed. Okay. Okay. So you see, I'm going to talk about this variable, expression, and value. Okay. So what and all we can use as a variable, which what and all data type and all we can use for variable and expression, etc. So in Java 2, byte, sort, char, and int supported. Okay. In Java 5, they also start supporting enum. You guys have not been through enum and all, so just remember right now. From Java 7 onwards, we will have string as a parameter of switch here as a variable expression. Okay. From Java 12, I'm just talking about the major changes. From Java 12 in switch statement, you can return a value through break, have multiple value in case level. In Java 17, you will have pattern matching, guarded pattern, and null access. So right now we'll go through only this byte, sort, int, char, enum, string. And when Java 7 completed, right? When we're done with Java 7, we'll go through each major features of a specific version of Java. Okay. So syntax is clear. I will write it again one more time. Okay. So let assume if I have to write the syntax. So first you have to write switch. Okay. Then variable, and then you have case val1 colon, and then here you have statement semicolon. You can have break, and then case again, next case, then val2, then a statement, then break, okay, and then default. So I have just taken two case. You can have multiple cases. You can have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cases, okay, and then you have default, and then you have a statement, done, okay. So if you, while writing the program, we are following this one, okay. Let me do one thing. We'll execute certain program, okay, and then we'll see. Stop this screen sharing. Okay. Okay. So my screen is visible to you all, right? ID.
Yeah, bhai. Listen.
So chalo. So first we'll execute some basic program, and then we'll see like default. So take the example, take the basic example int a equal to 3. Okay. And then we'll have switch statement. Okay. I passed here a. Okay. So this is a syntax, right? Then what I said, like we have case. So case here. If you pass 0, it will match with this one. So I will pass, I will write here, sorry, not semicolon, colon, okay? Then I will write here. So let me tell, if user enters 0, I will print Sunday. If we enter 1, Monday, like that, okay? So I'm just doing that Sunday, and then I will do break. After printing Sunday, no need to execute other cases, okay? Otherwise, it will go and match with all the cases. Case 1. We have to give the space here. Okay. Now have Monday, and then we'll have break. Okay. Then we have case 2. Again, I have given this. Okay. Similarly, I can have till 7. Okay. Okay. And then we'll have default. One second. Let me copy and paste this one. Okay. Why to type multiple times? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And then we'll have default. So there will be chances, right? User can input a number beyond 6, right? So for that, what we'll do? So we'll say wrong input. Please enter number in between 0 to 6. Clear? Okay. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Clear? Okay. So let take example here. So I have int a here. Okay, let me make it 5. So now int a equal to 5, I am passing a into switch statement. So first what it will go to case 1, it will match with this. So what it will match or not?
No, it won't match.
Okay, it will
No.
match with 1, it won't match. Here also not match, here also not match. So where it will match? It will match here. So what it will print?
Friday.
Friday.
And then break. Break means the normal program execution flow is coming. Then program encounter break means from this part it will directly come out of this block, switch block. Okay, clear? Let me execute this. You got Friday, right? So now you all are able to understand, right? The basic flow of this, what is happening here. So whatever value you can pass. So you can pass here int, byte, short, long. Already I told you, right? Let me pass a long. So here, okay, a second. Long, long required car byte. Okay, no long car byte short int till Java send. Okay. 1 second. Let me check. No. No need to cast, will not cast. Okay, let me use byte here. So byte also we can use. Okay. Okay. So we'll take another example. This in this one, what is happening? Int a equal to 5. Then we are matching with case. So you guys know, okay, how the matching happening and what is the use of break. Okay, let's assume I have entered here 8. Okay. So what will be the output?
Wrong input.
Wrong input.
Yeah, because the case 0, case 1, it will not match. 8 will not match with any of these cases, right? So if your input doesn't meet with any of the cases, what will get executed? The default will get executed. Okay, clear? Okay. So let me comment this out. I will do commit all this code. Okay, you guys have to uncomment. You have to remove this star and top one, and then you can execute. Okay. Okay. So now take another example of switch case. Okay. A small example. So int a equal to 30. Okay. And then you are having switch a. And then we have this. And we are having case. And we'll have a here. Colon here. Println. We have a. So here what will be the output? Any guess? You got, there is no output, right? Because we don't have default here, right? Okay, let me write down default. What will be the output?
No match.
No
match. Okay. Now. Okay. Now what will the output?
4A. That A.
Okay.
65.
So the data type is integer, right? So will it match?
Yes. Correct.
Okay.
So
It won't match.
now we are having this 65, right? This A is what? This A is in Java.
Character.
Character is which type?
The character.
Yeah.
Which type it is?
Yes.
Character is a part of integral, right? You remember when I was going through this data type? Character is a part of integral, right?
Okay.
So what is happening here? When see here, okay, let's char c equal to 65. What will be the output?
Yeah.
If I print here c, what will be the output?
Yeah.
A. This output is A, right? So if I can match this with 65, does means, right? It means the same, right? Because one second. Because character will support ASCII code till 0 to 255. So what I did here, I've taken 65 and now I'm comparing with A. So basically A here is a integral type which you can compare with integer. Okay, it's match, and that is the reason you are getting this A printed. Okay, clear? I already have explained this in character type, how you can assign. Like, let's see, let's take example. I have this char, okay, and I have x, right? And okay, so this double quote, right? This single quotes will doesn't have more than one digit, more than one character. Okay, now I have assigned 6. So what it will do? If I print x, right? Let me do that. Already explained this, right? So it's print 6. Okay. Because I have assigned as a character. Okay, let me remove this. Okay. What it will print? It will print whatever respective ASCII value of 6 is there. So if any value which is printable, it will print, otherwise it will print nothing. Okay, let me take 104. So what it will do? It will see 104 ASCII representation and it will print it. H, small h, 97 to 122, 121, we are having this range, right? Small a to small z. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we have 65. So basically you understand see what will happen when we are matching with this. So you can have here, let me take one more example. I'm just giving you example all the data types. Okay, what and all data types will get supported. So byte b equal to 33, and then we have so switch, and we can pass b here, and then we can have case for byte as well. Case 33 colon. So whatever, if match, whatever print, whatever you want to print, you can print. So this is the syntax that we can have. Okay, long, double, and boolean. Okay, we'll see what will happen if you are taking long, double, and boolean. Okay, same thing. So byte is supported, we'll take long. So what it's saying, long will not get supported. Okay, double, double also. Okay, one second. Let me take proper double value. Okay, so double is also not supported. Then we have boolean. One second. Then we can have Boolean. Boolean, here let me take true. Okay. And here also let me take true. Otherwise you guys will say how it is support. So Boolean also not support. Okay. Okay, Boolean also not supported. Okay. If I write it, 1 is greater than 0. So it's saying in Boolean required cat, it's only required char, byte, short, int, character, long integer, enum or string. Okay. If you want to go with Boolean, go with if else or switcher. Okay. So basic what and all we are not supporting. We are not supporting long, float, double and Boolean. Okay. Clear? Okay. We'll take one more. Enum I have not teach you guys till now, so I will not. Mostly I want to avoid this enum one. Okay. We'll take a string example. Okay. And then string choice equal to IBM. Okay. Okay. So now we'll have switch. So switch support string. I have switch here. Curly brace open, curly braces close. Okay. Now, okay. So what I am doing, I will go through each, I will define the case. So because I have here, what we have? I have a string. So I will write cases based on the string only. So let assume if you choose IBM, sorry, let me take small letter because Java is case sensitive. Okay. So now I am writing for IBM, you need 70%. You want to know the detail of how much percentage they need for each of the companies. Okay. So I've let me take. So for IBM, you need to have 70%. Now case, different case. So I want to choose info. Okay, info tech. Okay. Yeah. So for info tech, 30%. Okay. So let me comment this out. And you guys have to tell me the output. What will be the output? So I have in choice, I am having IBM, right? And now I'm matching with each of the cases. Okay, there is no break statement. Okay, now this, what output will get? Just guess. Anyhow, I will explain, right?
The both output you will get maybe because it doesn't have break. Is it so?
Okay, anyone else? Poonam?
Or one more guess. Sorry, if it or is it repeatedly it will print the same like IBM case output like.
Okay, so you are saying like frequently it will print that in loop, right?
Same thing.
Yeah, in a loop. Yeah, because the loop will not get break, but
Okay.
it will always execute the IBM.
Yeah, so thing is that it will not loop because it it doesn't have like switch statement doesn't have a looping kind of features. Okay, so either it will print both, either it will print one, either it will get out of the block. Okay, we'll see. So what it does, it's print both. Okay, why it's print both? See, if once your case match, right, it will print everything whatever you have after that. So if I move this part, right, let me move this one down here. Then what will happen? What will be the output?
For
You can,
IBM, you need 70%
yeah,
only.
because once it's matched, after that there is no case. You see, there is no case, right? So it will print just only one statement because we don't have break as well. So it will not break. It will print everything, whatever. So let me take one more case here. Just a sample case. A, B, C. Okay. And then system data. I'm just printing anything just to explain you guys how switch statement example. Okay. So now it's matched with IBM. So what I said, if there is no break statement, it will print everything after the matched case. So this case match IBM. So it will next it will print ABC1, even though it is not matching with this choice. Okay. We'll see. So you got example and both, right? Okay. Now we see what happened to default. Default will also get printed or it will not.
It will also
Okay.
get printed.
Okay.
Default not,
Okay. We'll see.
it will not print.
Okay. So everything will get printed because there is no break statement. So if you want, once it's matched, it will break. You have to add break statement. Okay. We'll see what is happening here. So what happened? For IBM, you need 70%. And after that, you have break. That is the reason it will break. Okay. Now we'll see Infotech. What is happening with Infotech? I will pass Infotech here. After Infotech, we don't have break, right? So what it will do? Any guess? So it will
For
Infotech.
Infotech need
Infotech
30% and
and
70%.
Yes. So it will match with Infotech. And after that, there is no break. So it will match with IBM. It will print both. Then we are having break. So it will come out of this block. Whenever you have a break statement executed, it will just come out of the this scope. This switch scope is there, right? So it will come out of that. Okay. Clear? Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can we have a duplicate case? Duplicate case in the sense, same case can we have twice? We'll see we can have or not. So, same case we cannot have twice. Clear? Okay. Okay. Let me take another example. I just want to make you understand every possible thing that you guys can face. Okay. So, what I'm writing here, int a equal to 99, int b equal to 33. Okay. Now I can have switch. Sorry, we are only left with 5 more minutes. Okay. And I have written here b. Okay. Clear? Now, what people used to do, I can have here, sorry, a equal to, I can have here a. And I can write here. Some people will try to write like this. So what it's saying? Saying constant expression required. So case always have constant expression. Means it will take any value like sort, int, byte, but it will take a constant. It will take a literals, not the expression here. Okay. Clear?
Okay, sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you might encounter like people sometimes what they will do, like while writing you might get, okay, let me write like this and that. So that is anyhow, in that way it will not work. You will always have to be any constant value here. Okay, or any literals direct value. Okay. Okay, let me comment this out. Okay, so almost we have completed. Okay, I will give another example. Okay, let me take int a equal to 10. Okay, and then we have final int, remember final int x equal to 10. Clear? And then we'll have switch. And what we'll have here? We'll have A. Okay. Now we'll have case 10, which is a value, right? And we'll print here 10, and then we'll have break. Like that also we can write. Better to write in next line. Okay. Okay. Now we can have case. Okay. So why I'm getting issue? Because this final int x is equal to 10, and we cannot have duplicate case. So let me make it 20. Okay. Okay. So I'm writing all the possible things which we can have in a case. Okay, basically this example is about all the possible things that you can have in a case. Okay, let me do that. Let me write one more case. Sorry, break a statement. So you guys know the use of break, right? Case. Let me add here 10 plus 20 plus 23. Sorry. Okay, and here I will pass. What is the total of this? 10, 30 and 43, right?
53.
Okay, 53, sorry. Okay. Now let me use this default. And here we'll have break. We're left with less than a minute. Let me execute this. Okay. Okay. Let me execute. So what match? It match with 10 means I just want to show you guys this value. Final value also is a constant, so you can take final value. And this type of expression also you can take because it doesn't have. Okay. So you all are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
what we'll understand from this program is in case, right? We can have values. We can use final. We can use character literals. Any literals you can use. Okay. And also you can use expressions, right? So switch, we can pass byte, sort, int, right? Along with string, correct? And also we can, in case inside in a case here, we can have direct literals, constant, and this type of expression. Okay. So now for freshers or for 1 year experience guy, mostly they will ask a question from switch statement. Can you write a program to check the character is consonant or vowel? Okay, by using switch statement. Okay, so what we can do? So we can do in this way. So first you will take a character, and then because you want to check consonant and vowel, so it should be a character which fall in between 65 to 90, right? That is a ASCII code, right? For capital A to capital Z, right? And then in switch statement, I will pass as CH, right? And then I can have case A, E, I, O, U. So if any one match, right, it will print vowel and it will break. If it's not vowel, then what it will be? It will be consonant, right? You all are able to understand this program, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if user enters something here, like, because it's a character, user can enter anything, right? So let assume user enter here +n. Sorry, let me take one special character. And is just and is also a character. So in this case, what happened? It will match ch is greater than 65 and less than 90, which is not, right? So this if will fail, and we'll come to else part. Enter a valid input. Okay, so we'll check here first. Let me run this. Enter valid input, right? Okay, now let me enter O. So what will be the, sorry, capital O, because I have written program for capital. If I can also include here a small a, but just go through this. I will give you all that task to write it for a small as well. Okay. So what will be the output? This is capital O.
Okay.
Mhm.
So, O is vowel, am I right, sir?
Yes.
So it
Okay.
will print vowel.
Okay. It's vowel. Okay. Let me take here Z. So what it will print?
Consonant.
Consonant.
Consonant. Okay. So you guys are clear about switch statement, right? What we can pass, what we cannot pass. Okay.
Yes.
Now I also have this thing added here. Okay. So it is like, this is switch expression, which is from Java 14. Okay. So we'll go through this as well when I will teach you Java 14, Java 12, Java 17. But I will commit this code. Okay. You guys don't have to bother about this. I will explain everything. Okay. This thing as well. So right now it's not required because we are just going through a fundamental of Java and basic, like mostly Java 7, all the features. So unnecessary going to Java 12, 10 features. I just add it here so that later I will not forget, or you guys should have remember this. Okay, we have to go through this as well. Anyhow, I will teach you Java 17 12 feature, so I will cover this up. Okay. So like that also, I am just giving a simple demo. So you are able to see this, right? Case is Monday, then day is 1, right? Day number is 1. I'm assigning a numbers today. So in Java latest feature now, you will directly return 1, 2, 3. So basically this switch will use as a expression. So it will execute the thing, it will return a value as well. Okay. You can match with multiple values. Right now you can match with only one values, right? And you are having multiple cases. So here if I have to write A, E, I, O, U, I can write in single case. Understand? So these are the features that will go through. It's not required now. Okay. Now this Monday, Tuesday and all. Then we'll see that. Okay. It's not required now. Fine. So any questions that you guys can have from switch? If you are not understanding, you want to explain me one more time, I will do that. If you have, please let me know. Okay. Any question, if you want any type, any other program or any program that you want explanation, you can ask me. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So I just want to conclude. That is the reason I have requested you guys to attend 10 more minutes. Okay. So I have done with switch. Tomorrow we'll have class about loops. Okay. So thank
Okay.
you.